If you are in need of a professional land surveyor in Jaewar, Noida, look no further. Our team of experienced land surveyors is dedicated to providing accurate and reliable surveying services in the Jaewar area. We understand the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping when it comes to land development and construction projects. With our expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, we are able to deliver high-quality surveying services that meet the needs of our clients. As land surveyors, we play a crucial role in ensuring that land is properly measured and boundaries are accurately determined. Our team utilizes advanced technology and techniques to gather data and create detailed maps and plans. Whether you need a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction staking services, we have the knowledge and skills to deliver accurate results. When it comes to land surveying, attention to detail is key. We understand that even the smallest error can have significant consequences for a project. That is why our team takes great care in conducting thorough surveys and double-checking all measurements. We strive for excellence in every project we undertake, ensuring that our clients can rely on our data for their planning and decision-making processes. In addition to our expertise in land surveying, we also offer SCON design services. SCON design involves the planning and layout of outdoor spaces such as gardens, parks, and landscapes. Our team of skilled designers works closely with clients to understand their vision and create unique SCON designs that enhance the natural beauty of the environment. When you choose us as your land surveyor in Jaewar, Noida, you can expect professionalism, accuracy, and timely delivery of services. We are committed to exceeding our clients' expectations and providing them with the information they need to make informed decisions about their land. Look no further if you require a qualified land surveyor in Jaewar, Noida. Our skilled team of land surveyors is committed to offering precise and dependable surveying services in the Jaewar region. When it comes to land development and building projects, we are aware of the significance of accurate measurements and thorough mapping. We are able to provide our clients with high-quality surveying services that are tailored to their demands because of our experience and cutting-edge tools. In order to ensure that land is precisely surveyed and borders are set, land surveyors perform a critical role. In order to collect information and produce precise maps and plans, our team makes use of cutting-edge technology and methods. We offer construction staking services, topographic surveys, and boundary surveys. Looking for a qualified land surveyor in Jaewar, Noida? Look no further. Our team of qualified land surveyors is committed to provide the Jaewar region precise and trustworthy surveying services. When it comes to building and land development projects, we are aware of the value of accurate measurements and thorough mapping. We can provide top-notch surveying services that satisfy the expectations of our clients.